everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a residential project located on Mysore Road in Bangalore. This project is called Simplicity and it has been designed for home buyers and investors looking for affordable homes with a good connectivity. In this video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Simplicity is compact and affordable residential development that has been thoughtfully planned for first-time homebuyers as well as investors. The project is spread across approximately 3.98 acres and consists of 4 residential towers. Each tower has a ground plus 4-floor structure, creating a low-rise and community-focused living environment. In total, the project offers 265 apartments with a studio and 1 BHK configurations available. The expected possession date for this project is December 2025. What makes this project attractive is its focus on smart functional home that fit within a reasonable budget while still offering the connectivity and convenience that today's buyer look for. Now let's talk about the location. So Simplicity is strategically located on Mysore Road, directly opposite to Satwa Global City Tech Park, one of the prominent employment hubs in this area. This location offers excellent connectivity to key destinations across Bangalore, making it specially convenient for working professionals. Satwa Global City Tech Park is just about 2 minutes away and can even be reached on foot. Mysore Road Metro Station is approximately 10 to 15 minutes away from this project, providing easy access to public transportation. And talking about the nice road, so it is around 10 minutes away, helping residents connect quickly to different parts of the city. Kengeri can also be reached in approximately 10 minutes. For those working in major IT hubs, Electronic City is about 30 to 40 minutes away. With a combination of metro connectivity, road infrastructure, and proximity to employment centers, the location offers strong practical value for both end users and investors. Moving on to the amenities and lifestyle offering, so Simplicity focuses on providing the essential facilities needed for comfortable everyday living without adding unnecessary luxury cost. Residents can enjoy landscape garden that creates a pleasant and green environment within the community. There is a dedicated children play area where kids can safely spend their time outdoors. For fitness enthusiasts, a jogging track has been provided, while community spaces offer residents an opportunity to interact and spend time with their neighbors. The project also includes 24/7 security, ensuring a safe living environment for families. Power backup facilities are also available, along with the dedicated parking spaces for residents. Overall, the project is designed around practical and hassle-free living, making it suitable for both homeowners and tenants. And now let's take a look at the apartment configuration and pricing. So the project offers studio and 1 BHK apartment with the sizes ranging from 395 square feet to 746 square feet, and the pricing starts from 45.78 lakh rupees onwards. The rate is approximately 11,590 rupees per square feet. Considering the location, connectivity, and affordability factor, the pricing remains competitive within the Bangalore residential market, especially for entry-level buyers and investors looking for budget-friendly opportunities. Now coming to the booking process, so the process is simple and hassle-free. The first step is to schedule a site visit and explore the project in person. Once you have selected your preferred unit, you can proceed by paying the token amount. After that, the required documentation can be completed to move forward with the booking. Developing corridors such as Mysore Road continue to attract residential demand, and affordable projects in such locations often hold strong future appreciation potential. For brochure, pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.